Good morning, Cindy. I'm here at Meow Wolf in Las Vegas. We're gonna check it out today, see what kind of cool artistic surprises we have. Look at this place. Meow Wolf is an art installation that at first glance appears to be a grocery store, except it isn't. It's full of hidden rooms, secret doors, lighting effects, and interactive art. Here at Mega Mart, you never know what little door entrance is gonna open. Well, here at the Meow Wolf Butcher, we have everything to satisfy your carnivorous needs. For example, a beautiful statue here is not only beautiful, but also delicious. Check this out. We've got art bologna. You guys have to come check out this place. By the way, I gotta get out of here. Where's the exit?